Welcome to your Flame Fundamentals training. My name is Grant and I'll be your trainer on the start of your flame journey. Now this training is for absolute beginners, but whether you're a seasoned professional or a student, you'll cover plenty of areas in Flame to give you a great starting point. Flame has a ton of functionality for editing, VFX, grading and finishing. And even some say that Flame is like multiple applications in one. So don't worry about trying to learn everything at once. Just focus on the areas you need right now, and the rest can come with time. Flame has a lot of unique features and behaviors that take a bit of time getting used to. But once you get to grips with them, you'll find the interaction invaluable and you'll become super fast with the interface. Now we have a lot of ground to cover, but to make things easier for you, the course has been divided into different modules or playlists, and each video will have chapter points to focus on the features you want to know. If you haven't got a commercial license of Flame available to you, you can download the 30-day trial to follow along. And if you're a student or educator at an Autodesk recognized institution, you have access to a free 3-year educational license of Flame by signing up through Autodesk Education. So with all that said, let's start off your Flame journey by examining some of the concepts and philosophies in Flame. So in the next video, you'll be introduced to the environments which allow you to interact with different parts of Flame to do editing, VFX, grading and finishing. Please like and subscribe to the Flame Learning channel for future videos, and thanks for watching.